this video we can see that how function closer it works and how it's calling. So now we can see one function create, display, it is one number 10, one const, add one method, console.log number, added by tens number, and return add one. Inside the function we can see that one another function we write, and that function will return numbers 20. So this is a closure concept, function inside the function. So question is how we can call it. First display, and agar another this way. Now we can check it's working or not. So for that run the demo.js, not demo.js. So now 20. So simply we see in simple this method only code will be written inside the function. So in closure concept we can return any method inside the method, and we can call one bracket and another bracket. So it's for this. So this is a closure concept. This way we can achieve the closure function in a JavaScript. So that's